Alright, now that we've got our thumb plunge right there, we're ready to go. And with this, I want to be careful because we're not going to do any trimming to this. We're going to make it where it's ready just to go right off of the bat. So you just want to plunge down like that just a little bit. Okay, get it down to where you want it, where you feel comfortable. And let's go ahead. At this point, you want to check it. Still a little thick down there. So you just want to get a sponge. Start pulling it out like that. Starts getting funny on you on the outside, don't worry about it. Go ahead, check the thickness again. That's good, because I'm going to keep going back and compressing that bottom once I get it to the width that I desire. So right now, I'm just concerned with pulling this out. I'm going to make a rather small one. Just kind of even up those walls. And at this point, we want to go and focus on compressing the bottom here and making sure that it's nice and sturdy.